Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to display 3D trees on the Yandex Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen and click to the settings button. New, in the map and interface section, click that. Oh, sorry, not the navigation, the map and interface. And here in the map type section, you can find the second option, the 3D trees. Actually, I don't use this function, but if you want to turn on, click to the next gray circle, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.